Another brisk day in Michigan, am I right, boys and girls, and whoever else follows me? It's kind of cold. I only got ankle socks on. Ankle socks and Vans. It's cold. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm making another video. Don't know what about. I'm just gonna commentate as I go. Sorry I've been gone for so long. Sorry my last video sounded like shit. I still gotta use a phone as a speedometer. Right now I've got some just random location set. The bike's still cold, so I'm not gonna be doing crazy antics. Sorry, the tire is still cold. They're around an operating temp right now, but I'll definitely slide out if I get too squirrely. So, how have y'all been? I've been good, hopefully. I've been trying to keep up on your guys' videos, but, you know, not always the case. Which is unfortunate, but I'll try to catch up. I know a few of you guys I haven't watched in months. Sorry. Nice little 100 pull right there. Hell yeah. I've got my audio set to just standard mic, so hopefully it's not too bad. So I had it on standard mic plus, so it picked up all the wind that was blowing by my head. I'm really hopeful that it's fine now. Holy shit, it's cold! It's in the 50s, but, you know, hoodie, jeans, Vans off the wall. That's literally all I got on right now, boys. Just a quick store run, but gosh. Oh, fuck, it's cold! You know, every time I see a single light like that, I always think it's gonna be another motorcycle, but no, it never is. Smart move, buddy. I mean, it's not like my headlights are out. They're not neon, they're not the LED like the Harley has, but they're not fucking dim. So I don't know why I felt that was a smart move. I'll go around. I got time. It's not a 45 for a good 8th mile after I pass them. We're good. Not that I go 45 on the 45 ever, but you know. I might buy another hoodie while I'm at the store. Another bike! Woo! I'm not alone out here. The store run might turn into a highway run depending on where he goes. So I want to have a little bit of fun out today. I was gonna ride earlier, but I hung out with some other friends. Nothing against that. Love hanging out with them. But now we're into the evening. Oh, he is getting on the highway. I'm gonna follow. Highway time? Yes. Watch it be a Harley though. Yeah, it's a Harley. Still gonna go on the highway though. Oh, I know where that Harley goes to. It's probably gonna stop at McDonald's. Yeah. Knew it. Oh, that crackle is just so good on the decel. I'll give you a little bit of under the bridge action here in a second. Oh, nice. That's all good. It's all good. It's so good. So I originally bought this bike to be a stunt bike, but it is like way too clean for me to drop. Like if I lay down on this doing a wheelie or a stoppie or trying to learn how to drift, man, I'm gonna hate myself. So I might just have a really clean 2001 Honda CBR 600 F4i in my livery, and then I'll just go out and buy some POS that's been like beat to hell by some newbie that didn't know what they were doing and try to stunt that out. Because I didn't think it was going to be this clean, and then I bought it, and then now I'm looking at it and I'm like, man, I love that bike too much to break. Because you know damn well this bike will get broken if I start doing wheelies and stunts on it. Which, you know, is part of the territory of stunting, but I bought a very clean bike. There's like scuffs here and there, like little ones, like maybe he bumped it with something, or maybe he might have like dropped it, but the scuffs are so few and far between. I'm leaning more towards he took the plastics off and part of them got scuffed on the way down. Because there is no way in hell that this bike got laid down with how little scuff there is on it. Biker things, motherfucker. Ta-da! Oh, well, look how clean this thing is. Super clean. Cut you all in a minute. And we're back. Another bike pulled in. BMW. Well, they got a stop sign all the way down here. Weird. So I do have a pair of combat boots I have yet to wear on the bike, simply because they are very nice boots, and I know every time I wear boots on a motorcycle they get destroyed. I mean, granted, they're only 20 bucks more than the Vans I have on, which are also, yeah, you can see they're kind of dirty, dusty, but these are everyday shoes. These are my daily ones I wear to go places when I'm not wearing the boots. Because I like wearing combat boots with ripped jeans. It looks really good, on me at least. But I've also recently dyed my hair black, so that's also why I think I look good. I mean, granted, I always look good. I'm hot as hell. The bike just adds to the aesthetic. Like, I'm a solid 8.5, 8, maybe an 8, which is very good because that's the top half of the out of 10 spectrum, so I'll take it. No, I can hear all this wind going by my helmet. I really hope it's not messing with my audio. Oh my god, my turn signal's been on this whole time! Oops. I thought I'd turn that off. Oopsies. Nah, I want to go this way. There's a cop over there too. I appreciate that guy. Thank you, my friend. I saw that little finger point. I was like, what? Oh, it's a cop. Whoopsies. As long as he doesn't follow me, we're good. I hope he went the other way. I think he might still be sitting there. He's probably on his phone, because traffic's been clear for a minute. I still need to get a street bike helmet. The Simpson's not that bad, but it's more of a Harley helmet. Mainly because on the Harley you sit upright like this, so your vision is good, but on this bike you're hunched over looking up, and the helmet likes to ride down. So, not the greatest. It's got a good field of view for riding a cruiser though, so I'll just need to get a second helmet and then wire that one up for a Sena and a GoPro. It's not a big deal. That car had a Decepticon logo. Hell yeah. It's all things that I'll get as I go. I got a good job that I can actually like buy a helmet almost on a whim now if I don't spend my cash, but I should be pretty good. Been doing pretty good, so we're there. Mentally not good, but financially I've not been too fucked. I mean, I am on a new bike, so obviously I have credit score at the very least. Oh, they're going fucking slow. Actually, you know what? Since they're turning, I'm gonna go straight. Fucking rocket ship this is. Anyway, it's been a cold ride and probably a short video. Hopefully a video that's not just the whole time with me trying to yell over it. But anyway, the camera's gonna run just in case some dumb shit happens or I get a cool video. But I will see you guys in the next one. That could be this year yet, or I might not be able to get out and record until fucking next year. You never know. It is October something, early October, so I hope I'll get out to record some more, but I don't know. Winter is very quickly approaching us, and I don't have good riding gear for street bikes. And the cutoff for the Harley to go into storage at the dealership is November 1st, so I got a couple of weeks to stack content, and I hope for the best, but you never know. Anyway, as I was saying a few seconds ago, I don't know how long it's been already. This is Squid Boy, however you want to say it, boy. And I will catch y'all on the flip side.